Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 sounds that dogs hate the most. So let's dive in and discover these sounds together. Fireworks. They light up the sky with vibrant colors and loud booms, creating a spectacle that many of us look forward to. However, these dazzling displays can be absolutely terrifying for our canine companions. The sudden bursts of light and sound can be overwhelming. Dogs have incredibly sensitive hearing, which amplifies the booming explosions, triggering a primal fear response that can be hard for them to control. It's not uncommon to see dogs panting, pacing, whining, or trying to hide when fireworks erupt. These behaviors are signs of extreme stress and anxiety. Even if your dog doesn't exhibit extreme fear, it's essential to provide them with a safe space during fireworks displays. A quiet, comfortable area can make a big difference. Remember, it's not just about the noise, it's about the anxiety and stress it can cause. The unpredictability of fireworks can make dogs feel threatened and insecure. As pack leaders, it's our responsibility to provide reassurance and create a calm environment for our dogs. Comfort them with gentle words and stay close to help them feel secure. By understanding their fears, we can help our furry friends cope better with the chaos of fireworks. Thunderstorms can be downright terrifying for dogs. The combination of loud claps of thunder, static electricity, and changes in barometric pressure heighten their anxiety. Dogs sense changes in the atmosphere long before we do, leading to behaviors like trembling, hiding, or barking excessively. Create a safe space for your dog and offer them distractions like chew toys or a comforting blanket. Your presence and reassurance will help them weather the storm. The sound of a vacuum cleaner is incredibly loud to a dog's sensitive ears. Imagine a high-pitched whine amplified tenfold. That's what they're experiencing. The movement of the vacuum can be perceived as a threat, triggering a dog's prey drive. Dogs exposed to vacuum cleaners exhibit signs of stress, including increased heart rate and panting. It's not just a matter of our dogs being dramatic, there's a real physiological response happening. Living in an urban environment has its perks, such as access to parks, socialization opportunities, and a variety of walking routes. However, city noises can be a source of significant stress for dogs, affecting their overall well-being and behavior. The piercing wail of a siren can be particularly distressing, causing anxiety and fear in many dogs. Sirens often erupt without warning, reaching deafening levels that can send a dog's sensitive hearing into overdrive, making them feel overwhelmed and scared. Desensitization training can be incredibly helpful in managing this stress. It involves gradually exposing your dog to the sounds that trigger their anxiety. Start by playing recordings of siren sounds at a very low volume while engaging your dog in positive reinforcement activities, such as treats or playtime. Gradually increase the volume over time, associating the sound with positive experiences. This method helps your dog build a tolerance to the noise, reducing their stress and anxiety. With patience and consistency, your dog can learn to navigate the urban environment more comfortably, making city life enjoyable for both of you. Music! It's something we all love to enjoy, whether it's at a party, in the car, or just relaxing at home. While we might enjoy blasting our favorite tunes, our furry friends don't always share our tolerance for high volume. In fact, what we consider fun and entertaining can be quite distressing for them. Dogs have a much wider range of hearing than humans, picking up frequencies that we can't even detect. And what might sound pleasant to us can be perceived as overwhelming noise to them. Imagine hearing everything at a much higher volume and intensity. The bass frequencies, in particular, can be incredibly jarring and uncomfortable for dogs. These low sounds can cause vibrations that are unsettling. Prolonged exposure to loud music can lead to stress, anxiety, and even hearing damage in dogs. It's not just a momentary discomfort. It can have lasting effects on their well-being. If you wouldn't subject your own ears to prolonged exposure to loud noise, why subject your dogs? Consider creating a quieter, more peaceful environment for your pet. They will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips on keeping your furry friends happy and healthy. Until next time, keep those tails wagging.